They showed up when they said, they came and they did what they were gonna do. And their work is perfection.
My name is Dave Silva. I live here in the Southern California, in the South Bay area. I'm a general contractor. Been doing it for about 42 years.
Basically, it started at our house, and it grew. It grew from there because of the service that Dave gives. So, and from there, Dave took on partners, and they were all in agreement with the service Dave gave, and customers they had were all pleased, and it grew from there.
I started back in 1995. I was hired as a carpenter. It was October of '95. And within a couple years, I became a partner of Dave Silva's. And then I started running the crews. And after running the crews for a good 12 years, then I became a salesman as well. So I've pretty much done everything there has to do in residential commercial construction.
My name is Jamie Clark. I'm the production manager at Silva Construction. I'm also our in-house designer. I've been there for almost 19 years now. Day to day, I run all of our jobs. I assign carpenters, subcontractors. I manage the people and what they're doing, the inspections. And then at the same time, I also work with the clients on design. Things like the countertops, the appliances, the cabinet. These are the cabinet plans, so we do everything with drawings so that we know where each cabinet's going to land, how the doors are going to be. We shop for things like, this is quartzite, which is a type of granite. It's actually even harder than granite. These tiles are light gray glass. The cabinets are diamond. This is a Milgard vinyl garden window, which replaced an aluminum one. So this is a great alternative. The glass in these cabinets, we had custom done. It's called glue chip glass. We wanted to be able to see into the cabinet, but we didn't want to see every detail. And then I'll open this. We also had custom made shelves done. This is 1/2-inch glass because she had such nice heavy pieces of china to put on it. So those glass shelves go all the way up on all of these cabinets, all 4 of these cabinets. My customer, Giselle. We've done lots of projects together. We really, I feel like she's part of my family.
Trust her with everything.
I had to bring her orchids for her birthday because she's special to me.
She does.
But
she showed up.
We get a lot of customers like that. We're doing something for her daughter-in-law right now.
Yeah.
So we kind of have this thing about making it a big family. You know, we get called back to people's houses, they move, they get a new house, they want the kitchen again. So we pride ourselves in that.
We've had this house for 20 years, and for 20 years I didn't like the kitchen. And then finally we decided, okay, this is the time. And we did not save on anything and made it the way we wanted it. So it came out perfect.
With Dave Silva, it was a special connection from day one in terms of what we wanted to do. And he really took the time to listen to my vision, what I wanted, and made it happen. We ended up redoing the entire house, inside, outside, knocking walls down, adding a balcony facing the backyard. Basically everything, including the electrical and plumbing.
This project is a 2-story addition at the front of the house here, and a house remodel. Today, they're going to be pouring concrete. There's a footing here, some pads here, there, and there. And then inside the house, they've opened up the floor so that they can get a pump in there and pump concrete for a long foundation wall to support the structure that we'll be changing.
David Clark came and stood at the top of the stairs outside after he walked through, and the walkthrough was pretty devastating. He actually had tears in his eyes. And he said, "We'll get this done for you." They made it happen and made the process just as easy and pain-free as possible, and they did a beautiful job working with the whole group, including Jamie and of course David and Dave and Brenda, and can't say enough about them.
The first time I meet with a client, they're looking for knowledge. I have knowledge and I'm good at helping them. I want to give them as much information as I can, whether that is what it'll entail to do the project, how much it'll cost, what it'll entail for plans, for permits, city inspectors, all that stuff. I've been doing this for 30 years, so I have a lot of knowledge in the area.
40 years later, we're still here. It's the quality of work is why we're still here.
You get pride out of producing something that everybody just admires. And whether it costs you or you made something, honor you didn't make what you thought you were going to make, that doesn't matter. It's how does the guy feel at the end? How do you feel at the end? And that's what I enjoy.